In this video, I show you how to fix WhatsApp location open with option not showing problem. You can see that there is directly open into the maps. There is no open with option. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now click on three dot. Now click on reset app preference, reset apps. Now just open WhatsApp, then click on digit location. You can see that here open with option. You can open any maps app, then click on just one or always. Now I hope that this method fix WhatsApp location open with option not showing problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.